So we're making dinner. We got some fucking beef, fucking
stuff,
noodles. We're taking stoner logic with this, and so I fucking I'm cleaning up the onions, and I'm sitting here cleaning the one in the fucking thing, and I'm just like, I'm cleaning my spicy knob. I'm a fucking retard.
Yes, you are.
Come here, you dirty son of a bitch. Come here, you oniony whore. Gotta get all the dirt out of the tip. I wonder how many guys have had to say that in the past. I've got dirt in my tip. Let me see the kniff, man. I'm just gonna cut off that part. I'm gonna cut the tip of the knob. There. Problem solved. Fuck it. Now, to take off the parts that are not usable, we are making. Oh my god, that is a big, stringy son of a bitch.
You're an idiot.
I know. And I am proud. That's why I love having a best friend, man. We can look at each other and go, you're a fucking retard. And they're just like, yes, I am.
Because you are.
I think the term is autistic.
Technically, yes, but also, you're
horrible.
retarded.
Yeah. Legally, I am in Iowa. I don't know how they did it, but then again, I was in treatment centers when they decided to call me that. I guess if you should run around the campus screaming butt naked enough times, you get put in the retarded category. There you go. There's your spicy fucking knobs. And here's some green pubes in my hand because fuck it. You have to make everything sexual, huh? Yep. Because I'm a nasty bastard. I really gotta pee.
You go do that.
I'm going to. I gotta go pee. Ah! It's dark in here, it's dark in here. I think I just shat my pants. Random is fun. I got done taking a piss. Shorts are too goddamn big for me. So I gotta tie them like I'm a fucking anorexic. And before anybody complains that I didn't wash my hands, no water. He's not in this sink for some reason. Fuck it, it's fine. Getting dark in here again. I paused it when I took a pee-pee. It's just like, you're a fucking idiot. So today was a long day. I fucking dragged a fucking big log with a big fucking rope. Yes, I'm saying fucking a lot because fuck it. I don't care. Oy. No, seriously, that smells delicious.
And it's going to smell even better.
Oh, you're cooking the yum yum sauce in it? Okay. So we're using that as the sauce.
You just sit back and watch me work my magic.
This is kind of like the time I made the hamburger helper, Burger King hamburger helper. That stuff was good if it wasn't so goddamn mushy. Anyways, I just wanted to fucking polish a knob on camera.